Good morning, dear children. This is Vishali ma'am, and you all are welcome to your value education class. Children, today in value education, we are going to start chapter number 10, that is caring of public properties. Children, we all know what are public properties. This term we have studied in social science as well. The public properties are those buildings or amenities. Amenities means facilities and spots. Some of the buildings, some places are there which are maintained by the government are called public property. Okay, that means it is for our use, for our benefit, for our entertainment. Here are some places of public property given below. And what are the things which come under public property? Are public parks and playground, railways and roadways, whatever we are traveling through, a bus, a train, a taxi, okay, libraries, historical buildings, hospitals, electric poles and street light. So can we see around what all public properties we are coming across every day, and all these things are there to make our life easier. ये हमारी लाइफ को सिंपल और इजी बनाने के लिए पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टीज़ हमारे लिए एसेंशियल भी हैं और यूज़फुल भी हैं. एंड चिल्ड्रन, एज द नेम कम्स पब्लिक प्रॉपर्टी, दैट मीन्स ये जो भी है ये किसके लिए है? ये हमारे लिए है और हमको इसकी केयर भी करनी है, इसकी देखभाल भी करनी है और इसका सही तरीके से यूज़ भी करना चाहिए. ऐसा नहीं कि हम इसे कुछ भी करें और इसको डिस्ट्रॉय करें, बिकॉज इट इज़ फॉर आर बेनिफिट, दिस इज़ फॉर आर गुड. ये हमारे लिए, हमारे अच्छे के लिए गवर्नमेंट इसको हमें प्रोवाइड कराती है. अंडरस्टूड? चिल्ड्रन, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we are going to study about railways and roadways. Children, railways we all know, we all travel by train to many places, and this is the cheapest mode of transport in India. This is the cheapest. हमको बहुत कम रियायती किराए पर जो है ट्रेन्स की फैसिलिटी मिलती है, जैसे हम लॉन्ग डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करते हैं. वी ऑल एंड we Indians are traveling a lot by the trains. It is comfortable, cheaper. Okay. But how can we take care of these trains? We travel in buses as well. और कई बार हम देखते हैं कि उसे गंदा कर दिया जाता है, उसे ख़राब कर दिया जाता है, कहीं ब्लेड से, कहीं पेन से, या कहीं स्पिटिंग से, थूकने से. इन जगहों को क्या किया जाता है? गंदा कर दिया जाता है. So we need to take care of them. Okay, whenever we are traveling, we should see that people should not harm these things. हमें इसमें कचरा, गंदगी नहीं करनी है, इसकी वॉल्स को ख़राब नहीं करना है. पीपल इवन कट द सीट कवर्स, जो सीट्स होती हैं, जो कवर्स होते हैं, वो तक लोग इसके कट कर देते हैं. तो वो सब हमें नहीं करना है. वी शुड नॉट डू ऑल दोज थिंग्स. एंड व्हाट आर द मेजर्स वी कैन टेक to keep these things clean? We can take care of trains and buses as well. And how? By not throwing waste inside the train. We should not throw waste inside the train nor outside. There are dustbins provided in the train as well. Okay. Not spit inside the train. People, those who are chewing different harmful things, they are spitting everything in the toilets of the train. या फिर वो लोग साइड में, कॉर्नर्स में, गेट के पास जो है तंबाकू, पान खा करके थूक देते हैं. सो ये सब नहीं होना चाहिए. देन नॉट यूज़ द टॉयलेट व्हेन द ट्रेन इज स्टैंडिंग एट द रेलवे प्लेटफॉर्म. वेन एवर द ट्रेन इज ऑन द प्लेटफॉर्म, वी आर नॉट सपोज टू यूज़ द टॉयलेट अकॉर्डिंग टू रेलवेज. ओके. Then not smoke in the train. We should take care of other people also, that no smoking should be there, so that it can harm other person also. Keep railway stations neat and clean. By the time we are on the railway station as well, we should not throw the garbage, the packets, different wrappers. We are having things, जो भी हम खाना खाते हैं या जो भी कुछ खा रहे हैं, देख फ्रूट्स खा रहे हैं, we should not throw the garbage on the railway station also. आजकल आपको पता है gradings are also done under स्वच्छ भारत अभियान for the cleanest railway station. and the railways is taking a lot of care to maintain these railway stations. We should not, as I have told you, not tear the seat covers in the bogies, in the compartments. There are seats in which the cover is there, and people many times cut those covers as well. Then for buses and bus stand children, the same thing is applicable everywhere, that we need to follow cleanliness. We need to take care of the cleanliness of the buses and bus stand also. The same things, we should not throw waste material here and there. We should not tear the seats of the buses. We should not write on the walls or on the backs of the buses, and not smoke in the buses. Okay, we should keep the bus neat and clean, and we should not spit inside the bus stand. Understood? So these are some of the measures which we can take to keep these things proper and neat and clean for others' use also. Then the next public property, children, is the hospitals. We all go to the hospital whenever we are sick, we are injured. हम बीमार होते हैं या चोट लगी होती है, कुछ भी होता है, तो we go to the hospital for treatment. So we should take care of the cleanliness of the hospital also. We should check that if that premises is neat and clean. So we are the support system. We have to support that area. We have to support those people which are keeping the hospital clean. Okay, we should not damage the furniture of the hospital. Any furniture is kept for our use, we should not damage that. We should keep the wards of the hospitals clean and keep the whole premises of the hospital clean. We should maintain that cleanliness whatever is provided from the hospital. Okay, then children comes the parks and playground. We all go to the parks and playground to play. In the school also, in our colony also, wherever we are going to play, we need to take care that we should not make those places dirty. We should not throw garbage over there. Then we should not spit in the park. We should not pass urine in the park. We should not pluck flowers also. They are for the beauty of the garden. They are the beauty of the garden. The flowers are the beauty of the garden, and we should take care that we should not make that place dirty. Okay, because people are going for relaxing themselves. We are going to the parks and playground to relax ourselves. So we should feel that we are coming to a neat and clean place, and we should maintain that cleanliness as well. Many workers are there, children, who are working continuously to keep the places clean, and we need to support them. Okay, then children, after the parks and playground is the library. We all go to the library whenever we are in the school also. We use the school library, and there are public libraries also outside, and it is a place where you get knowledge, where you get thousands of books together, and we get here magazines, newspapers, everything. So what we have to do, we should take care that we are keeping those things properly. We should not tear pages from the books of the libraries. Okay, we should not throw the newspapers, or we should not take out the supplement of the newspaper. Sometimes we do, कुछ हमें अच्छा लगता है, we tear that and we keep with us. So we should not do that. We should maintain silence in the library. We should not talk, है ना. Whenever we are going to the library, the first and the foremost rule of the library is to keep quiet. So we should keep quiet in the library, and we should take care of the books, that जहाँ से हम वो बुक उठा रहे हैं उसे वापस वहीं पर ले जाकर रखना है. फिर जो भी हम काम कर रहे हैं उसको भी हमें क्या करना है, जो भी हम पढ़ रहे हैं उसमें कोई पेंसिल से ड्राइंग नहीं करनी है, उसमें अपने नेम्स पेजेस पर नहीं लिखने. Okay, and if all these things, if everyone takes care, then the places will be वेरी नाइस. हम फॉरेन कंट्रीज़ की बात करते हैं, कि देयर एवरीथिंग इज़ नीट एंड क्लीन, वहाँ सब कुछ साफ़ सुथरा दिखता है, वहाँ ऐसा होता है, बट who is responsible for that? The citizens there, the people of that country are contributing for the cleanliness. वो सब उस चीज़ का ध्यान रखते हैं कि उनकी जो कंट्री है, जो उनका सिटी है, वो गंदा ना हो. And that too we should also understand. In India we need to understand that how can we make our country neat and clean. Then children comes the electric poles and electric lights. Electric poles, all of you have seen around our home. There are so many electric poles. There are street lights and which provide light during the night on the streets, in the lanes of your houses. So we should not break the street lights. उसे बॉल से या किसी चीज़ से नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाना है हमें, उसके बल्ब्स नहीं फोड़ने हैं, है ना, बिकॉज इट मे कॉज इनकन्वीनियंस टू अस ओनली, है ना. जो हमें फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड हो रही है, अगर हम उसे ठीक से ध्यान नहीं देंगे तो उससे क्या होगा, नुकसान हमको ही होगा. देन चिल्ड्रन इज़ द हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग्स. हम लोग कई जगह जाते हैं जहाँ पर पुराने किले, पुरानी बिल्डिंग्स हैं, है ना, वहाँ पर भी हम देखते हैं लोग वहाँ की दीवारों को ख़राब कर देते हैं. दे बिलोंग टू आवर हिस्ट्री, दे गिव अस द मैसेज ऑफ द कल्चर एंड हेरिटेज ऑफ दैट टाइम, है ना. वहाँ की अलग अलग तरह की नक्काशी जो होती है दीवारों पे, हम क्या करते हैं, उसे ख़राब करते हैं, है ना. पीपल यूज टू draw something with a stone on the walls of these places, है ना, and we are destroying the beauty of that place because इतने सालों से वो बिल्डिंग वहाँ पर है. लेकिन अगर हर व्यक्ति उसे जाकर वहाँ ख़राब करेगा, कुछ ड्राइंग्स बनाएगा, अपने नेम्स लिख कर आ जाते हैं लोग वहाँ पर, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स डिस्ट्रॉय द ब्यूटी ऑफ दैट बिल्डिंग. सो वी नीड टू टेक केयर. ओके, देर आर मेनी हिस्टोरिकल बिल्डिंग. हमारे भी आसपास हम मांडव देखने जाते हैं. मांडव, देर आर मेनी ओल्ड एंशियंट बिल्डिंग्स, है ना. देन वी गो टू कुतुब मीनार. व्हेनेवर दीज कुतुब मीनार है, देन चार मीनार, ताज महल, रेड फोर्ट, and many kilas are there, many forts are there in Rajasthan also. These are all historical buildings which have witnessed that time in the history. So we need to maintain silence, maintain cleanliness, and maintain the beauty of that building. So what moral value did we get from this, children? We learned that we should observe cleanliness everywhere. We should maintain the public transport. We should not throw garbage in the parks and the playgrounds, in the school premises. That is also a public property. You all are using that. So the same thing is applicable to your school also, that whenever we are coming to school, हम वहाँ की बेंचेस पर नेम लिखते हैं पेन से, इंक से. सो दैट ऑल्सो वी शुड नॉट do. Okay children, so please remember, whenever we are traveling, whenever we are going anywhere, whenever we are coming to school, all these points we should take care of. Understood? Thank you.